we are preparing this one. What we will cook today, Saddam Bhai?
Speaking. What do you think?
Mutton curry. Mutton curry, sir.
Mutton curry, yeah? Okay, so let's stand by and we'll watch how they cook this mutton biryani.
Yes.
So you will be cooking Salim Bhai,
Yes, sir.
both of you,
What my son?
Yes.
My
So we are preparing now this one.
head here and
Yes. This is full of chili, garlic, then onion, tomatoes, then ginger, and this is what is this, man? I do not know. I forgot this one. Celery or what? This is okay. Just put this one. No problem.
काली मिर्च नहीं गिरी No, I don't काली मिर्च नहीं
What are herbs? This one. Just put. We are cooking. What we are cooking, by?
मटन सर मटन
Mutton, pagal, mutton gravy.
Yes, sir. लाल मिर्च निकाल
Sa onion, ha?
ऑनियन सर
This green chili, fresh.
इंडियन मटन
Huh?
इंडियन मटन इज इंडियन मटन
Okay. Come kilo this one, bhai?
सर 50 रियाल केजी
Huh?
50 रियाल केजी
3 kg.
2 केजी 100 रियाल
This one is
ginger and garlic paste
yeah, this garlic and ginger. Huh?
yes sir yes sir
Huh? What's next, bhai?
next sir mutton
Yeah.
mutton
Wow, he's our chef. This one. Tell me, bhai, what you are cooking, bhai? Yeah.
yes sir
Tell me what you are cooking. Pagal.
mutton sir
Mutton, huh?
yes sir
It's pagal. Pagal, how are you?
hello all my friend कैसे
Hey, what? Too much good cooking, huh? Now you will put ginger and garlic. This one, huh? Paste.
where some
Huh?
water
Water? After put this mutton, huh? Aywa. After this one, Bobby cover this one? Not cover this one? Grabe.
hello
Too much harara.
woman
Yes. Hello. Yes, too much hot. We are cooking this one. It's really very hot. So say hi to my vlog, bye. Bolo. Yeah? Aywa, how are you, bye? Bolo. Huh? Okay, after put this one, bye, not cover this one. Copper.
No, this one roast, this one roast.
Yeah.
No, this one fry, you know?
Ah, you will make this one brown, soya brown.
Yeah. Or this one gravy, this I put this one down.
Follow.
Garlic, area, this one fry.
Yeah.
Fry brown color after coming, after put masala, you know?
Yes. So it's too much hot. Yan. Saan sa pagal? Okay, alas. What is this bomb? Curry powder? Yeah?
Sir.
Yeah, that is for curry powder. This one, sir. What's next, bite? Yeah, just put this one, mutton masala. This is spices being used by Indian people, mostly Indians and one. What other salmon, right? What's this, bite?
This coriander.
Ah, coriander powder. Bisa kuan chili powder. Okay. What you will do with this one, bhai? This you put water this one?
This water, eh?
Yes, bhai.
Yes.
Tell me, how many minutes this one?
This 15 minutes. Or after all chili and yes sir.
Bolo.
Sir, too much another.
Sorry. Malis.
I think
Aywa. Slice this one after you put,
yes sir. Smallish.
Now you put this one, Okay. Oh, check. No water this one. Put soya water, bhai. What's next this one? Ada tomato button? This one? After? Oh, after down this one, bhai.
Water garlic.
Put this salt. Aywa. After mix together. What's next, bhai? Huh?
Next, wet.
Grabe. Halos naligo na kami ng no? It's very hot here. Make roti. Ada roti ba isa? Roti. Ayon. Enta Bengali ala Indian? Bengali ya? Ayon. Kam na parata akela da bay. Malam na ibay? Kam people akela da? How many people? Oh. Yes, this is how they make roti. This is like a bread. This one, this is a flour, I think. Most of the Indian, Bengali, Nepali people, Pakistani people are eating this one. This is how they prepare roti. Just wait, karo. Yan, pagkatapos nilang masahin, then
करके बनाता है
Aywa, after he put here in this pan. Aywa. This one while we are preparing a roti, then also here cooking a roti. Hey, what is one? The mutton gravy. क्या बोलता भाई? Aywa.
गुस्सा नहीं बात नहीं पड़ा नहीं करते करना
हमें जाना को जैसे पर हम लोग आगे अगर दोनों वाले
तुम करो तो बिल्ला लड़ो
क्या?
अगर गुरु को हो एक बार तो गरम पानी करना आवर बोला
जाना भाई करो तो जाना
आवर बोला
एक पीस बोलो.
तुम्हें हमारे को पता है
एक साथ ना जो ना से बढ़ जाता है आगे करना रल दास हुई नहीं
तुम भी रोटी खाना है अरे भाई कौन को सीधा कर रोटी से देगा किधर देख भाई रोटी तो मिलने वाला है नहीं चावल वाला है उसको क्या करें उसका कोई ऑप्शन है नहीं तुमको चावल चलेगा ना जैसे ज्यादा अभी तो दुकानी पर फारूक को बोल दे उसको फोन करके रखे ठीक है ना उनको होटल दे दे बढ़िया अरे बिचू मेरे पांच रियल का
Aywa, put tomato. But then put tomato and what are the other? This other button?
अटर क्या बोल रहा है?
10 रुपये नहीं देगा 25 रुपये देगा 10 रुपये नहीं देगा 5 रुपये देगा
10 रुपये नहीं देगा.
10 रियल का बनाया था कल मेरा ड्यूटी हां भाई
सुबह ड्यूटी है तेरा?
हां
तो फ्राइडे ने यार.
मुश्किल नहीं, बुकरा शुक्र नहीं भाई. Fortune मिलेगा भाई बोलता ना सर. Aywa, let's see now this one. This guy preparing roti. This is flour. Ayan po yung harina. Tapos minasa na niya po yan eh.
5 का बनाते तू?
Tapos
ओ
ayan. Niluluto niya sa sa mainit na pan. Tapos habang nakasalang to, nagmamasa ulit siya. Ayan, nagmamasa ulit para gumawa ng bago. Isa, you will not cook rice pagod? Huh? Cook rice nahi? No?
अरे ये क्या कर रहा है इधर इतना गर्मी में कर रहा है पसीना
ये
पसीना
पागल है.
Pagal nahi भाई.
Why you like that?
पहली बार थोड़ा काम के लिए बना दे
First day का रोटी बनाया था बता.
And after 20 minutes.
You speak 15 minutes now 20 minutes. But then mungkin 1 hour karo. Sa?
No, no, sir. No.
Mix karo.
हारिफ भाई बंदा कितना है? हाँ? बंदा कितना बंदा? हाँ? तो 12 पीस रोटी खाएगा तो?
Bolo bhai, what is this bomb?
So this is a mutton gravy all idea giving by me and prepared by Salim and Saddam. Okay, it's all idea maybe. My mind working on it.
This is only your idea,
No
Samsung
idea how
Pagal.
to cook. You know, so this better idea. You know that? It's all about preparation. You know that?
Samsung Pagal.
Okay, sir.
Okay, good night.
Okay, sir, you go home. Okay. Goodbye.
No, you go. You recon now. Can you open my gun, Saddam? Bye.
This also good. That's right. It's a bit of fun.